Right, so I'm just wheeling up my wheel runs up to the front and then take them through to the blasters. In my pocket, that's that bolt I cleaned up yesterday. I'll take that. Let's see. Got the talking to get new ones of them when I'm in town. What do I do? Take the centres up. Put the canopy back in the trailer. So I have. Hello, Vanna. Hello, dog. Hello. Hello.
Try don't wet that. Stay in here, do it.
Yeah. I'll talk to the dog.
Stay over there, do.
Right.
That's a wing mirror there. Yeah, just hold the mirror.
I'll give you that to check. Thank you very much.
Okay. So the job was pretty busy. I tried to do that earlier, but nah,
That's okay. It's all good. It's all good. Busy enough?
Yeah. Right, what I do. Bring the stuff there, okay?
Yeah. Thank you. Hello, dog. Cracking day now. We're waiting for the sun to come out all day, but it's out. It's warm. What I've got here is I've looked at, these are the front wheels off the wee tractor. These aren't bad, these didn't want getting blasted because the paint's actually quite smooth on them, but I'm just giving them a key up. The handbrake off. See how I get on? I'll go over it with some wet and dry after I've done it with this. But... Yo! Hi! I'm just turned this wheel in it. I'm just scuffing up the paint best I can. I've noticed this though. You know, the thing is, that hole's a buggered there round about the seat for the boat. It'll be alright. Maybe been loose at one time or... Anyways. I'm sure my feather one's the same though, one of the front wheels. Alright. Just rubby rub. And get a new bit of emery in a minute. I'll just pop the beads in these tyres and leave them on to paint them. It's only an old tractor, not as fine as a car. Aye, do this for a wee while because I've not done much all week. Right, well that's me at one side of this. One of these wheels done. And it's actually come off better than what I thought it would. Well, it has. The inside's not as smooth like, but I mean, who's gonna? Nobody be looking at that anyway. Well, they shouldn't be. But aye, it will need a wee dick with some wet and dry, but I'm quite pleased with that actually. Got wee bits to do, right, but over there. I'm gonna get some lunch. This pad works quite well with this because of the shape of the wheel. It's a bit done now, like, but I'll use a new one for the other one. Aye, good. And I'll get a Old English white's the right colour. This is too. Still doing my wheels. I've done them both. The only bit I've got to do is in between these bits here, just with a file. Scrape it, and I'll go around it with a wet and dry. And that's them both done. Just if you can take the top bit off the paint, it rubs off. I've got a wee half round file, just at the gaps where the centres meet the rims. Aye, then doing this. After that'll be me done. I'm just about done with this for the day. Nearly there, but still a bit painting to come off and with the rims joined, but I mean it's no bad, like, you know. Done another one. I'll do the day, I think. Let me go and get my dinner. Wee bit more today and that'll be it. Pop the beads, mask them up. Play with them. It's some old English white. Right, that'll do the now. Right, the rain's went off and the sun's come out, so I've come out. Up the back of the garden here, we have my tyres for the tractor. I've had these for a couple of years. I bought them up in Aberdeen second hand. But they're pretty good, like. So they are. So I'm going to dig these out, wheel them round the front. Not needing them yet, like, but I might as well do it for something to do. I want to get this motorbike trailer out of here as well and get the mudguards and wheels sorted for it, and that'll be it finished as well. Finish that off. So I'll lift these ladders and stuff down and get these tyres and wheel them round. So I will. Right, I'll wheel this wheel tyre round the front and cover it up again so it doesn't fill up the water. I've kind of stalled with the cars at the moment because the weather's so bad. The next job's to get the Escort out and get it polished, but once it's out, it's out. So, right, I'll wheel this up beside this Fiesta.